why would you just simply cut off the supply so that we can, because this is these threats that we are receiving is like the sword, the sword of Damocles. We are always in constant fear. Our people are unstable now because para pag ano mangyari kung putulin, kung hindi putulin, natatakot din kami kung putulin. Why won't you just cut it off and then so that we can plan our action permanently? I mean, it's not good to be threatening always the people of Cagayan de Oro. It's like a sword hanging over our heads. We are mentally, physically, and emotionally affected. Because if you do that, if you just cut it off, then we can go. We have to. Just inform the management of Metropark. We, the city of Cagayan de Oro, is ready of what you will do to us. Just don't let your threats. Hindi na namin na makaya yan kasi ikaapat itong threat eh. And every time you send us a letter, everybody is trembling. So cut it off if you want to.